What if I told you that some of the most stunning fish in the world can thrive in tanks as small as 5 gallons? Today, I'm revealing the secrets to finding and catching the most beautiful fish perfect for your small aquarium setup. Trust me, by the end of this video, you'll know exactly which fish will turn your tiny tank into an underwater masterpiece. Hey fish lovers, welcome back to the channel. I'm Your Name, and if you're new here, we're all about creating amazing aquariums regardless of size. Today's video is special because we're focusing on small tank owners who think they have to sacrifice beauty for space. Spoiler alert, you absolutely don't. We'll cover the top 7 most gorgeous fish for small tanks, where to find them, how to choose healthy specimens, and my pro tips for bringing them home safely. Let's start with the obvious choice that's anything but basic, the betta fish. But here's what most people don't know. There are over 70 different betta species, and some varieties are absolutely breathtaking. We're talking Crowntail bettas with fins that look like royal crowns, Halfmoon bettas with perfect 180-degree tail spreads, and my personal favorite, the koi betta with marbled patterns that literally change over time. These living jewels thrive in tanks as small as 5 gallons, and their personality is as vibrant as their colors. Pro tip, males are typically more colorful, but don't overlook females. They're often more active and can sometimes be kept together. Next up, we have the electric light show of the aquarium world, neon and cardinal tetras. Picture this, a school of 6 to 8 tiny fish, each one looking like a living neon sign with brilliant blue and red stripes that literally glow under aquarium lights. Cardinals have red that extends fully across their body, while neons have red only on the bottom half, but both are absolutely stunning. These little gems are perfect for 10-gallon tanks and above. The magic happens when they school together, creating this mesmerizing synchronized swimming display. It's like having your own underwater light show that never gets old. Now let's talk about the artists of the aquarium. Guppies and Dwarf Gouramis. Guppies are like living watercolors with endless color combinations. You got sunset guppies with orange to radiance, blue Moscow guppies with deep sapphire bodies, and tuxedo guppies with dramatic color blocking. The best part? They breed easily, so your color collection keeps growing. Dwarf Gouramis, on the other hand, are the gentle giants of small tanks. Despite being only 3 inches long, they have incredible personality. The powder blue variety looks like it was painted with the sky, while honey Gouramis have this gorgeous golden glow that catches light beautifully. So where do you actually find these underwater gems? Here's my insider strategy. Skip the big box stores for rare varieties and head to your local fish store first. These shops often have direct relationships with breeders and can order specific varieties you're looking for. My second secret: join local aquarium clubs and check out fish shows. You'll find varieties you never knew existed. For convenience, reputable online retailers like Aquabid or Live Aquaria offer amazing selection, but always check reviews first. The best time to visit any store? Right after they receive new shipments, usually Tuesday or Wednesday mornings when the selection is freshest and the fish haven't been stressed by weekend crowds. Here's where experience really pays off, knowing how to spot healthy fish versus ones that might cause you heartbreak later. First, look at their eyes. They should be clear and bright, not cloudy or sunken. Watch their swimming behavior. Healthy fish are alert and responsive, swimming actively without struggling to maintain position. Their fins should be intact and spread properly. Avoid any fish with torn, frayed, or clamped fins. Most importantly, check their coloration. Vibrant, consistent colors usually indicate good health, while faded or patchy colors can signal stress or disease. Don't be shy about asking the store employee to feed the fish while you watch. Healthy fish are eager eaters. The journey from store to your tank is crucial for your new fish's survival. First, never rush the acclimation process. I cannot stress this enough. Start by floating the sealed bag in your tank for 15 to 20 minutes to equalize temperature. Then, open the bag and gradually add small amounts of your tank water every 5 minutes for at least 30 minutes. This prevents shock from sudden water chemistry changes. If possible, set up a quarantine tank first. Even a simple 5-gallon setup can save your entire tank from potential diseases. I know it's exciting to add new fish immediately, but patience here prevents heartbreak later. Also, dim your tank lights for the first day to reduce stress while they adjust to their new home. And there you have it, everything you need to know about catching beautiful fish for your small aquarium. Remember, size doesn't limit beauty when you choose the right species and care for them properly. Which of these gorgeous fish are you planning to add to your tank? Drop a comment below and let me know. If this video helped you out, smash that like button, subscribe for more aquarium tips,